It's important you take a few moments to read your policy, and be sure you understand the coverages and deductibles that you've chosen, and that your mortgage information is up to date. Please contact your agent if you have any questions or need to update or change any aspect of your policy. Immediately after a loss, the safety of you and your family should be your top priority, and because claims often vary substantially in severity, there's a few safety steps you should follow. Be sure to report down electrical lines or gas leaks to the local utility company. Do not enter your home if it has sustained any major structural damage. Turn off the main water supply to the home in the event of a burst pipe, and if there's any standing water present in the home, keep the electricity turned off. Once you have assessed that it's safe to proceed, you can begin taking reasonable steps to protect your property from any further damage. Board up any broken windows or doors, place a weighted down tarp over any openings in the roof, and in the event of a water damage claim, contact your insurance carrier immediately, or a reputable dry-out company. If your home has sustained smoke or fire damage, contact a local smoke and fire remediation company for assistance. We have a list of our trusted vendors below this video, and don't forget, take photos of any property damage, and maintain records of any receipts for purchases utilized as a result of a loss, and homeowners beware. There's a costly trend that has developed in the state of Florida called assignment of benefits, and over the last few years, an increased number of homeowners have been signing contracts with AOB language. But what's the problem with assignment of benefits? If you sign a contract or form with AOB language, you could be forfeiting your right to collect your claim settlement funds directly from your insurance carrier, thus losing control of the claims process. But there is more. Many contractors get paid large cash fees by recommending certain companies, costing you more over time, with higher premiums. That's why it's important to always contact your insurance company first. Remember, the insurance company has an interest in minimizing your loss, and will respond quickly, even after hours, so do not sign any contracts until first speaking with your insurance company or agent. To report a claim, contact us 24/7 at 866-270-8430, or you can file your claim online. Be prepared with your name and policy number, type of loss and description of damage to your property, and don't worry if you don't have your policy number, we can still assist you. A friendly examiner will be assigned to assist you through the claims process, and if necessary, an independent adjuster will schedule a time to inspect and estimate the damage to your property. They will work with you and the contractor or repair facility to agree on the cost of repairs. Remember your responsibilities following a claim. Until your insurance company is able to assess your damage, protect your property from any further damage, make reasonable and necessary repairs, keep accurate records of repair expenses, and when possible always contact your insurance company first. And for your protection, do not sign any forms with third-party vendors that include AOB language. We appreciate the opportunity to insure your home, and look forward to serving your needs in the future.